Do you know how much a livestock feed grinder costs at the store? It can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars. But what if today, using only old items already lying around the house, we could build a machine with similar functions ourselves? It may sound unbelievable, but from things that most people would throw away, I'm going to turn them into an extremely useful machine that anyone can make at home. And the most surprising part is how powerful this machine will be after it's completed. So make sure to watch until the end to see just how strong it really is. After turning a wood-cutting blade into the main spinning blade of the machine, the next step is to recycle a broken electric kettle. Its metal body is extremely sturdy and perfect for making the grinding chamber of the machine. If you don't have a kettle like mine, don't worry. You can absolutely use similar metal materials as a replacement. After modifying the electric kettle, I will combine the cutter motor underneath the base and install the blade inside the kettle, creating the first basic structure of the machine. At this point, the machine is already starting to take shape. However, for it to work efficiently and smoothly, we are still missing one very important part. Keep watching to find out what it is. After all of those steps, can you guess what I'm making now? That's right, I'm designing the base of this machine. This part helps keep the machine stable during operation and greatly improves its overall performance. Of course, you can also create a different base design that better suits your own grinder machine. Once everything is finished, I will connect the grinder machine to the base using bolts to secure the entire structure together. And just like that, the machine is basically complete. But to make it look newer and more professional, I'm going to repaint the entire frame, giving the machine a brand new appearance as a way to mark its transformation from old scrap parts into a useful tool. And now, let's take a look at the final result. Will this livestock feed grinder work as powerfully and effectively as we expected? Let's find out together. If you found this video useful and interesting, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next DIY projects.